start off by saying that I want to share with you my honor of being here on this panel with you all today. Because, first of all, thank you, Mahesh, for inviting me, Vamshi Garu and Pasha Garu, for inviting me for such a prestigious brand and the opening of another such legacy that they are creating. They have such big plans. When Sir Amjad Sir shared with me, um, he has a goal of 10 years ahead from now where he wants to see his salon and where he wants to see his brand, which is inspiring for me because they've already had a legacy of say 50 100 years, which is after 100 years somebody might think, okay, we're done, we can relax with our brand, but he's still thinking 10 years ahead. So I think that talks a lot about the quality and the passion with which he's doing this project. And I really want to say thank you for inviting me here today, and I want to open my heart out and say that please come support this, because it's not just about beauty and just on the surface, because he's going so much deeper in so many levels, touching social causes, employments, art, and also relating to the city's culture and adapting to that. Because Sir was sharing with me that in Hyderabad, people are not very bold with colors and all of that. So I was like, he's thinking in such different levels of how he can, relate to the people over here and how he can cater to special needs of everyone. And just want to repeat again how your social cause is very nicely integrated with your brand, sir. I think that's commendable. So thank you again for inviting me, and I hope that I can be a part of your further success as well.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Student, and they are more on dummies. But when you have a salon combined, they get more practical knowledge, seeing the client, how we deal with the client, how to handle the client, and what kind of problem the client and we face. So basically, they learn practical more with the salon. So that's why this concept we started like salon plus academy together, and they'll be getting lot of knowledge about the practical things, how we deal with the client. If the problem happens over there, if there is a complaint, how to handle the complaints. It's not that whatever I say is right. So we have to listen to the client and give the best service. So this is what we are teaching in the academy, how to give the best service and how to deal with the client.
So initially it was just a few salons, if we see a decade back.
Yes.
But now every lane has some 4 or 5 salons. So how different is this? What is the USP?
I think I've got a lot of love and affection from Hyderabad, and I think every time, like when I go to Delhi, I get a call. Okay, next month is another salon opening, where I feel happy about it. And basically, like my motto over here is to give the right knowledge about the chemicals. I specialize in chemical, and I want to give the best knowledge about chemicals, whether it's called Botox, whether it's called rebonding. If you see technically in the world, Botox, rebonding, and like whatever the new word comes every year, because 36,000 crore की industry है. So every year we come with the new words and we make fool to people that this is the new thing coming up, right? So we are trying to teach the student plus my staff members to give a right information to the client, what is right and what is wrong, and what are chemical and what kind of chemical we should go for it, and how they can take care. हर आदमी सैलून में आके एक चीज़ सोचता है, मैंने यहाँ कर लिया, आई एम लुकिंग ब्यूटीफुल, और मेरे को घर में कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, जबकि उसको ज़्यादा काम घर पे करना होता है रादर.
దీంట్లో ఇప్పుడు పాన్ ఇండియాలో 50th బ్రాంచ్ ఓపెనింగ్ నిజంగా చాలా సంతోషం. ఇక్కడ గొప్ప విషయం ఏంటంటే 2 తెలుగు రాష్ట్రాల్లో 10 కోట్ల మంది జనాభా ఉన్నారు. అందులో చాలామంది ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ కోసం చాలా కష్టపడుతూ తపిస్తూ ఉన్నారు. వాళ్ళందరూ కనుక ఎవరైనా కానీ ఒక మంచి ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ కావాలి అని అనుకుంటే వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి ఇంటర్మీడియట్ డిగ్రీ క్వాలిఫికేషన్ ఉండి ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకుంటే 2 monthsలోనే వాళ్ళకు ఒక మంచి జాబ్ ఆపర్చునిటీని క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఇది ఎవరైనా నిరుపేదల దగ్గర నుంచి ఎవరికి వరకైనా కానీ ఇది ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. ఎక్కువ ఎవరైతే పూర్ పీపుల్ ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళు ఎక్కువ మంది ఉపయోగించుకోవడానికి ఇది చాలా సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా ముందుకు వెళ్ళటానికి దీన్ని తీసుకురావడం నిజంగా వీళ్ళందరినీ కూడా అప్రిషియేట్ చేస్తున్నాను. అంజాద్ హబీబ్ తరపున వీళ్ళందరూ కూడా ఒక సక్సెస్ఫుల్ ఫార్ములాని తీసుకురావడం నిజంగా గ్రేట్ ఆపర్చునిటీ. ఇది ఎంతోమందికి ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తుంది. మనకు తెలిసినటువంటి వాళ్ళు ఎవరున్నా సరే చెప్పి ఇక్కడికి పంపించండి, ఆ బాధ్యత తీసుకొని వీళ్ళు ట్రైన్ చేసి వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు. ఇక మనం చూస్తుంటే అంజాద్ హబీబ్ ఇప్పుడు పాన్ ఇండియాలో 50th బ్రాంచ్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత మియాపూర్ అయిపోయింది, కొండాపూర్ అయిపోయింది, ఇక్కడ దాదాపు ఈ సరౌండింగ్స్లో కుకట్పల్లి అయిపోయింది, ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ కూడా వచ్చేసింది ఆల్మోస్ట్ 7th బ్రాంచ్. ఇంకో నెక్స్ట్ 3 బ్రాంచెస్ ఈ మంత్లోనే ఉన్నట్లున్నాయి. అంటే ఎంత స్పీడ్గా గ్రోత్ వెళ్తుంది, ఎంత స్పీడ్గా ఉన్నారు అనే దానికి
Amjad Abib Saloon and Academy in Kukatpalli, which is a heart of Hyderabad. So 3,000 square feet low Saloon and Academy Chesamu, and Academy we have exclusive hair, skin and makeup rooms, and we have different courses from intermediate, advanced, comprehensive and also basic level. And main saloon also is available at Kukatpalli, and we have saloon with 1,500 square feet with exclusive women's section and also men's section, and we have separate women's section, and we serve